baho, sarat, tsapat, busarga, duling, banlag, nakayuko, nakatingala, nakabuyang-yang. That is distinctly Pinoy. But actually, there are 4 kinds of nose ng Pinoy. Let me start with the first one. The first one is what you call a button nose. It's not flat. Oh, it's not even pointed. Hindi siya matangos, hindi siya pango. Para lang siyang butones na nakatahi sa mukha. That's the first. Now, mamaya na po natin tingnan ang mga ilong natin. Malaman natin kung anong tipo ito. Let's go to the second one. We call it the retro nose. This time, the bridge of the nose is flat, and the base is shaped like a pyramid. Ito po yung ilong na the 2 nostrils are divorced. Magkahiwalay. One points to the east, one points to the west. Hindi nag-uusap. They are not on speaking terms. Hiwalay. The nostril nga is pointing to the east, the other pointing to the west. Each nostril is perched on the corresponding cheek. And with a proverbial smile, will make that nostril touch the neighboring earlobe. Okay? That is what you also call the bell-bottom nose. Okay? Now, let's go to the third. Third is what you call the Pampanga nose. Central Plains of Luzon. Ito yung ilong na dinaanan ng lahat. Butas na lang natin. And last but not the least is the Ilocos nose. Ito yung sarat, tsapat, busarga. Parang hinog na kamatis na nasa kasaan ng riding in tandem. Bumayang-yang. Ito yung ilong na napakalaki ng butas. Na pagpasok ng daliri mo, pwede kang magganchilyo. Sungkit dito, sungkit sungkit. At pag may nasungkit, bibilugin yan. Bibilugin ang bibilugin. At pag nabilog na, pipitikin sa kausap, buhay ka pa! And the Americans would say, "Hey dude, catch that hamburger. Would you like some fries with it?" Ewan mo ba? Bakit? Why the Pinoy is not so fond of his Pinoy features? Yung iba, nagpo-contact lens ng blue pero ang gilagid kulay talon. Yung iba naman, is not fond of his kulay kayumanggi. Gusto magpaputi. Ayan ang luta tayo, at kung ano-ano pa. Pero unang-unang gagawin yung first step, gagamit ng papaya soap for 2 weeks. A slight effect. After 2 weeks, try ko kaya yung papaya lotion naman. O sige, ginamit niya ang papaya lotion. After 2 weeks, medyo pumuti na siya. Pero hindi pa rin kontento. Kaya gagawin niya, papaya cream. Ihilamos na sa buong katawan. Ay, ito na. After 2 weeks, teka, sa dami-dami ng papaya sa katawan niya, pag pinagpawisan niya, lasang tinola na siya. Okay. So sabi ko na lang, well, if the Pinoy is genetically constructed with flatness and the skin slightly tanned by the sun, we have Lea Salonga, Di ba? World welterweight champion. Tingnan yung ilong nun. Malalaman yung Pinoy siya. And then, of course, let's not forget Hidelin Diaz. She's got 2 world records in the Olympics. Tama ba? To put it in the field of weightlifting. Gusto ko nga siyang i-challenge eh. Kaya mo ako? Pero okay. Mas konti naman po. So, ganun talaga ang Pinoy. Kailangan bongga talaga. Okay? Let's dance. Papasayaw ko, ha? Sakit ang tuhod ko. You can sing along with me, you know. It's a very famous song. Senior President